Hey guys, just a little bit of update for my 910 Bluebird. So we had couple of issues a month ago. So we took it to Tail Automotive, and John he did the massive work for us. So I just wanna explain to you guys a little bit. This one, he cut off the muffler. I don't know what's inside. Anyway, kind of straight pipe. Still two mufflers in there, but yeah, it sounds a little bit better. So apparently the drum was wrong size, so he swapped the new one as well, which is good. And he changed the brake master cylinders, and he swapped the dashboard, and he just installed tachometers. Just want to show you. I'll show you now. Oof. I don't know if you guys remember, it used to be what was it called? Economy gauge. It was economy gauge, but now proper tacho install, which is good. I think he fixed the fuel gauge as well. And this one we call fly off pin. You know what that is? So basically, if you chuck in here, ooh, there you go. Oh, perfect. So basically, it's a drift handbrake.
Full speed, and then handbrake.
How cool! Right off pin. Thanks, John. If you take that out, stop. I'm just gonna leave that. Can't wait to use it. But anyway, so it's all good. Yeah, so he fixed that. What else he did? Oh, I'm working on.
Yeah.
Let's talk about later.
Why is your seat missing?
Alright, let's have a look from. So as I said before, he took the brake master cylinders. And yeah, pretty much brand new. And I think he cut off the emissions here, so he cut off that too, because apparently I don't need it. And I think he cut off this one too, yeah.
Charcoal canister blocked off?
Yeah, blocked off. He fixed that too. It was a bit wobbly before. I think this is more solid too, which is nice. I think this hose is new as well. I think.
Fuel hoses all replaced.
Yep. He changed the brake pads as well. I think pretty much that's it, isn't it? So yeah, she's running fine. Like, she's running good actually. It sounds a bit better. And my next plan is, so I got the S13 coils, pedals. Alright guys, so I got the pedals, and so this is apparently adjustable, which is cool.
So, fully adjustable high-grade steel lower mount, so you can adjust the height of the coilover. Alloy steel, so it's got quality springs, knowing that is quality.
Yep.
Spring seats, so you can adjust the preload. But best part, 30 position adjustable bump and rebound valving, so you can make it harder, softer.
Yeah.
So if you want to talk about that. Integrated dust boot to minimize, I mean, you don't have to talk about the dust boot, but it looks very stock, just adjusted springs.
Yep.
You should tell the story.
Yeah, it's funny. So I messaged this guy, and he was selling this for 500, and I messaged him saying, and he goes like, someone's already in line, and it was pending. So I saw, oh shit, whatever, bad luck. And so we caught up with our mate. We talking about coilovers, blah 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 blah. We asked him, wait.
No, he asked me.
He asked.
See those pedals up for sale?
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, someone else had already purchased them, or we're next in line. And he's like, no shit.
Yeah, he's the one who was gonna buy from this guy, but he said, if you wanna have it,
Just take it, because he already has coilovers.
Yeah.
It was too good of a bargain to let pass.
yeah. So yeah, that's why I got it, and it's honestly pretty much brand new, and we're so lucky. What a bargain! So my plan is I need to sort out camber plates because this is for S13 and my bluey has a different pattern. So I need to get the camber plate to fit this bad boy. Also, for the caster rod, so I need to cut the brackets for stock bluey's caster rod and to install the S13 caster rod. Does that make sense? So yeah, once I'm done it, I think it should be good to go. And I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully next, week or month, depending on how it goes. Yeah, I got some few projects going on for my bluey, so I'd love to show you guys too. But yeah, so this is a little update. I'm so happy that I got coilovers, and thanks heaps again for Dylan, who you're just happy to
Kind enough to pass on them so we continue our project.
That's it. Also, in case you guys are wondering, where's my passenger seat? So I'm working on the what is it called? What would you call it? Like a racing
bucket seat bracket or adapter.
So I'm making that DIY adapter. So I can't wait to show you guys in the next video too. So stay tuned.